I got my new boots covered in red dirt, a Don't Mess with Texas t-shirt, and a Lone Star postcard postmarked with missing you. It's got the biggest sky you've ever seen, the coldest beer you'd ever drink, but I still feel like I landed on the moon, 'cause it ain't got you. Houston, we got a problem. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song that was requested. It's a Luke Combs song. I mean, Luke Combs is one of the greatest, I think. So, yeah, this is the Houston, We've Got a Problem. So if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. I'm a little bit backed up right now. I was on a vacation, but I'll get to them as quickly as I can. All right? So also let me know if you have any questions or anything. If you have any special requests, like, it doesn't have to be a song request. If you want to know, if you want, like, singing tips or something like that, I'll do my best. So, but yeah, anyway, please hit like and subscribe so you'll get notified. All right, so I want to show you guys this. So this song is in standard tuning, and there's no capo on it. All right, you're only going to use 4 chords. So you're going to use F sharp minor. All right, so for that, you're just basically going to do 2nd fret all the way across, starting at the E string. All right, you're just going to do a power chord for this one. I'm not going to show you how to do the other chords because they're super easy. You're just going to do D, A, and E. But for the F sharp minor, what I would do is you're going to bar starting on the E string all the way down, and then put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky goes on the 4th fret on the D string, okay? So if you do that like that, that's how it sounds. You can hear all of them, right? Now, if you have a hard time, a lot of people have said, oh, I have such a hard time with like those bar chords. I totally get it. That's how I was when I was new. So if you do, you don't have to totally bar it. I would still try, but if you can't, make sure you push down on the first one, so on the big E, and then on your ring and pinky, okay? So just do it like a power chord, all right? And then you're just gonna at least touch the other strings. So don't have it up like that. At least touch the other strings because it'll mute them. So then it would sound like, so you hear the difference. Now it sounds deeper because it's not playing the higher notes. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to play it. All right, if you can't though, and you can't totally bar it, it'll sound like that. Hear how it's muting the other strings, okay? So let's get into it. So you're gonna start with, this is my kinda. Okay, kinda is where you do F sharp minor. That's the first part where you're gonna have any guitar playing, all right? I'm gonna try and do this so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, so you're gonna do, this is my kinda town. And you're gonna do D, all right? So you do F sharp minor, D, A, E. Wouldn't mind hanging around more than just a couple days. Okay, so what you're gonna do is F sharp minor, D, A, E. All right, and that's also the strumming pattern. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay. So just that down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So one time slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay. So now I'll show you where you play those. All right. So you're gonna do, this is my kinda is F sharp minor, kinda town. Then you do D. This is my kinda's A, kinda place. And E right after place. I wouldn't mind hanging. Okay, hanging is F sharp minor, hanging round. Then you do D after round for more than just a couple. Okay, couple is A, couple days. Then you do E after days. I got a 12th. Okay, 12th is F sharp minor, 12th for a room with a killer view. Okay, killer is D, killer view of the empty. Empty is A, empty Astrodome. Dome is E, dome. Got a tab at the bar. Okay, bar, got a tab at the bar. Bar downstairs. So bar is F sharp minor, bar downstairs. And D, and then you do, but all I can think. So then this part, you're just gonna do F sharp minor, D, E. You're skipping the A. But all I can think is E. Think about is home. Okay, and home, you could do a single strum, or you're just gonna do like let it ring out. Okay, home. Then I would mute. All right, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. Now the chorus, you're mostly gonna be playing A and D. All right, you're actually gonna do a different strumming pattern here. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do, I got my new boots. Boots is A. New boots is A. I got my new boots covered in red dirt. I don't. Okay, so a don't is D. I don't mess with Texas t-shirt with a Lone Star. Okay, then Lone Star is A. So far you're going A, D, A. Now the strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One time slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right, so I'm gonna show you where you play the chords now for the chorus. All right, so you do, I got my new is A, new boots covered in red dirt. I don't is D, don't mess with Texas t-shirt and a Lone Star. Okay, so like star is where you're gonna do A. Lone Star postcard, postmark with missing you. U is D, you. It's got the biggest guy. So biggest is where you do A. Biggest guy you've ever seen. The coldest. Okay, I totally messed up the pitch there, the key, but the coldest is D. Okay, the coldest beer you've ever seen. But I is A. I still feel like I landed on the moon. Moon is D. Moon. There you go. Cause it ain't got a U. Okay, U is where you do F sharp minor. U. So you go to F sharp minor, D, E. U. Okay, the end of that is E. And you're gonna do like a strum and just let it ring, all right? Houston, we got a problem. So then you're gonna do, so you do Houston, we got a problem. Houston is E, and you're gonna let that ring out on E. We got a problem. Problem is F sharp minor. And then you're gonna do that, the intro part once. So you do F sharp minor, D, A, E. And then you're gonna go into the second verse, all right? Then you go into the second chorus. And then after the second chorus, you're gonna do that same, similar instrumental part. So you do, Houston, we got a problem. You do D, A, and you do D, A, E. Okay, then you're gonna go where you start in like the middle of the chorus, and you just play it like you were before. All right, so it's got the biggest guy you've ever seen, the coldest beer you'd ever drink, but I still. Okay, and then you'll end the song. You're just gonna do D, F sharp minor, D, A, E. You do that twice. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Also, I'm starting up the channel on Rumble as well. If you don't know what Rumble is, it's like a non-censoring, I guess, is a way of saying it. Yeah, non-like speech censoring is probably a better way to say it. Form of YouTube. So starting it over there as well. I've got a couple videos, so check me out over there as well. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.